Lady Gaga turned heads at the House of Gucci premiere in Milan, Italy when she confidently posed on the red carpet in a gorgeous red sleeveless gown and matching heels as she looked confident and sexy. Lady Gaga, 35, wowed during the latest premiere of her new film House of Gucci. The singer and actress stepped out on the red carpet of Milan, Italy's event in a fashionable long red sleeveless gown that included a thigh-high slit and matching red heels. She also wore earrings, a necklace, and bracelets as some of her blonde locks were pulled back and the rest hung down. Gaga also showed off epic glamorous makeup, including dark eyeliner and eyeshadow. She looked confident and sexy as she posed on the red carpet for photographers. Whether she stood with her hands on her hips or looked over her shoulder in between flashes, she definitely made quite the lasting impression. Related gallery. Lady Gaga's red carpet looks, pics. Gaga's latest appearance at the House of Gucci Milan premiere comes after she turned heads while promoting the movie in London on November 11th. She wore a chocolate brown silky dress that also had a high slit and paired it with open-toe heels. She had her long wavy locks down and again, wore classy makeup that gave her the perfect evening look. Earlier that day she also made headlines for another fashionable and appropriate choice, a Gucci outfit. It included a brown and tan button-down midi dress with a Gucci logo all over it that was covered in crystals. She also added a matching cape that she draped over her shoulders and 10 patent leather lace-up heeled booties. Oversized sunglasses topped off the look and proved she's a fashion icon. The House of Gucci premiere in London had her wearing a bright purple flowing dress with black fishnets. She paired it with black boots and sheer black gloves. She made sure to pose while extending her dress out with her hands and rocked purple eyeshadow that went perfect with the look. We look forward to seeing what other fashion choices she wears to more upcoming events for the highly anticipated film. House of Gucci will be released in the U.S. on November 24th.